SDV is away. Hotel 6. 0-1 Dagger. USS Dallas deploying Team 2. RV at the objective. Hotel 6, depth 20 years. Team 2 at the objective.
Хватит смолить эту дрань. Легкие посадишь.
We'll take them both out. On your go.
Отвали! Это Ли. Вижу морской воздух.
Хватит ныть, а?
А Чечнев любишь?
Two hostiles down in Section 1 Alpha. Moving up to Section 2.
Roger that, Hotel 6.
Keep it tight, people. Got a visual on right. Free to engage. Suppressed weapons only. We're clear.
Civilian hostages at your position. Watch your fire.
Roger that. Team 1 moving to breach.
Противники!
Clear. We're clear.
Roger that, Hotel 6. Team 2 will secure an evac. Get topside and find the rest of the civvies.
Okay, move upstairs. Control, we're advancing to Deck 2. Eyes open. Watch your sectors.
Enemy helo patrolling the perimeter. Keep a low profile, Hotel 6.
Roger that. Helo approaching. Get down. Move.
Hotel 6, more hostages are at your position.
Copy that.
Убейте всех!
Clear. Clear.
Control, all Deck 2 hostages secured. Enemy radio. I think we're gonna have company, sir. Set up for plan B. Get some C4 on those bodies. Go. C4, place, sir.
Get to an elevated position. We'll ambush them when they discover the bodies. There's a patrol. Hold your fire until they're closer. Stand by. Stand by. Plan B. Do it. Control, this is Hotel 6. Our cover is blown.
Copy that. Intel still indicates hostages and possible explosives on the top deck. Your team needs to secure that location before we can send in reinforcements to handle the SAM sites. Over.
Roger that. We'll call in for Expo and LZ Bravo. CENTCOM needs us to take the top deck ASAP so they can send in the Marines. Move.
McTavish. Contact you 11 o'clock. They go down.
Push. Target 10 o'clock.
hostages from lower decks are being extracted by Team 2. Proceed to the top deck ASAP to secure the rest. Over.
Copy that. We're working on it. Out. Attack Kelly! Overcome! Find some cover! By the fuel containers. Something hot. I'm moving. Roach! Hostile taking cover near those fuel containers. Checking the fuel containers. We're getting shredded by the chopper. Look for some RPGs or rockets. Take it down. On the move. Nice shot, Roach. The clock's ticking. We need to get topside and secure any remaining hostages before we call in the Marines. Contact to the northeast.
Extracted by Team 2. Proceed to the top deck ASAP to secure the rest. Over.
Copy that. We're working on it. Out. Enemy helicopter. Get down. Get down. We got a man down. Roach. Target at 12 o'clock. Enemy helo down. Good shot. The clock's ticking. We need to get topside and secure any remaining hostages before we call in the Marines. Moving. Let's see movement. Contact northwest. Target at 3 o'clock. Split up. We can flank through these hallways. Up. Target 2 o'clock. Target at 12 o'clock. I'm moving. Target neutralized. In the open. Let's go. Those hostages aren't going to rescue themselves. Move up. Hostile to popping smoke.
Hotel 6, be advised. Hostages have been confirmed at your location along with possible explosives. Over.
You guys have thermal optics. Stay clear of the smoke. Copy that. All teams check your fire. Don't know what's behind these doors. Nothing, I can't know. Got a visual. Coming. Look at that. All in the open. Watch the fire. Roach. Moving. Contact 2 o'clock. Clear. Room clear. Control. All hostages have been secured. I repeat, all hostages secured. Proceeding to LZ Bravo. Over.
Good job, Hotel 6. Marine reinforcements are inserting now to dismantle the SAM sites. Get your team ready for phase 2 of the operation. Out. Hunter 2-2, this is Punisher Actual. All EOD teams are cleared for landing. Roger, Punisher. Hunter 2-2 copies all. Punisher, all flights in vicinity of grid 255202. Local airspace is secure. I repeat, local airspace is secure. Proceed on course to target area along route November 2.
Punisher, this is Hunter Actual. Hunter 2-2 is moving to secure the SAM site at the southwest corner of main deck. Hunter 2-3 proceed towards the air building to disarm the explosives.
Punisher Actual, all strike teams. All SAM sites neutralized. Repeat, all SAM sites have been neutralized. Blue sky in effect.
Six fleets mopping up. Time to move in. Long history of this building. Not much of it pretty. There's Started out as a castle with an actual dungeon, built to withstand any siege. The building survived every brutal winter. The occupants, they weren't so lucky. The monastery didn't survive the purges. Over the last century has played host to anyone the government didn't want but couldn't kill. The place is filled with living casualties of the last war, which I swear I thought we'd won. And I suppose it's all a day at the races. You back the losing horse and this is where you end up. 627's the piece of meat Makarov wants, so let's cut him loose.
Seconds.
Point 2-1, this is Jester 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s, 4 harms for the section. Stand by for SEAT, over.
Solid copy, Jester. Go get him.
Good tone, Fox 3, Fox 3. Good kill. Hornet 2-1, you're cleared all the way in. Good luck. Out.
Hornet 2-1 copies. 2-2 copies all. 2-3 solid copy. Snipers, this is McTavish. Stand by to engage. Stabilize. All snipers, clear to engage. Shift right. Stabilize. Ready.
On target.
Right. Shifting. I see 4 hostiles on the next tower. Hang on. Shepard, get those fighters to cease fire immediately. That was too close.
I'll try to buy you some time. One man in a gulag doesn't mean much to the Navy at this point.
Bloody Yanks. I thought they were the good guys. Ghost, cut the chatter. Stay frosty. Second wave going in. Stand by. 10 feet. 2-1 touching down the target. T1 is deployed. Go, go, go! 3 going into overhead pattern. Realize that recover over. 5-3, this is 2-1. Solid copy on hold.
I got a runner up on the walkway above those arches.
T1 is in position for gun run. Copy 2-1, raising target on the second floor. 2-1 copy, you've got a tally on 6 tangos inbound hot. Roach!
Contact by the low wall under the barbed wire. I'm out. Cover me. Avatar. Contact your mother block. Roger, I see him.
RPG! Contacted, you're close.
Roger, second target.
Tango down. Roach, cover me. Avatar. Tango up on the roof of the 2-story building.
I have a visual.
Loading. Cover me. Target in the open.
Got eyes on target. Target neutralized.
This is it. We go in, grab prisoner 627, and get out. Check your corners, let's go!
McTavish. Target at 9 o'clock.
Roger that, I see him.
I'll tap into the system and look for the prisoner. It's gonna take some time.
Copy that. Roach, we're on cell duty. Follow me.
That should make your job easier.
Roger that. Stay sharp. The prisoner may be in one of these cells. This elevator door, get it open.
Working on it. It's hardware. It's ancient. Damn it. Target at 11 o'clock.
Open the wrong door.
Roger. Stand by. Got it.
Let's go.
Contact you on the clock. I got eyes on. Cell 4D is clear. Cell clear. Move.
Talk to me, Ghost. These cells are deserted.
Got it. Pressure 627 to transfer to the east wing. Head through the armory in the center. That's the fastest way there.
Roger that. Squad, head for that armory down there. Move! You see anything you like?
Bad news, mate. I'm tracking 3. No, 4 hostile squads converging on your position.
Let's go. We're too exposed. Ghost, open the door!
Bloody hell. They've blocked it from the hard line. I'll have to run a bypass.
Too late! They're already here!
Be advised, you got more tangos headed your way.
We're gonna need more cover. Grab a riot shield!
Be advised, you got more tangos headed your way.
We're gonna need more cover. Grab a riot shield!
Almost there. Running through the auxiliary circuit.
Go! I'm gonna fire with the riot shield. You take it out!
Fire! Go. Contacting at 7 o'clock. Cover me. Got it. McTavish. Enemy Ghost here. Recommend you bypass the lower floors by rappelling out that window.
Copy that. Roach, follow me.
Captain McTavish, last floor clear. We'll link up with you at the bottom.
The camera feed in solitary confinement is dead. The power must be down in that section.
Roger that. Squad, switch to night vision.
Taken down.
The Navy isn't in a talking mood right now. Stand by. Bravo 6, they've agreed to stop firing for now. Keep going. I'll keep you posted. Out.
The old shower room's about 30 feet ahead of you on the left. You'll have to breach the wall to get in. Cover me. Roger, I'm on it. Cover me. Ben, hostile between the 2 doors of showers. I got eyes on target.
Charles on the second floor. Take them out. Grenade! Move!
Target at 9 o'clock.
Don't attack them. Hang on. Move quickly and hit them from the side. Use the weapons for cover. Grenades and detonate behind them.
McTavish, hostile moving to the center of the showers.
Grenade!
3 o'clock. Back out. Contact 1 o'clock. Watch it on your flight. Man down. Hostile moving down the center of the locker room. Counter strike. Roach, starting at 3 o'clock.
Прикройте меня!
Grenade, move!
Движется в открытом месте!
McTavish, contact at 10 o'clock. Roger that, I see him. Tango down.
Так точно! Вижу его! Не дайте мне препарат!
McTavish, Tango is Oscar Mike. Road shallow. Eyes on target. Got it.
Отцу нужен врач! На нем находит стрела! Их справа не попробуйте!
Roach, hostile contact, shower room, northeast side.
Ghost, we're in the old tunnel system heading south-southwest.
Okay, keep going along that tunnel.
Talk to me, Ghost. I don't want to be down here when those ships start firing again.
Keep going. You're almost there. I've detected 2 heat signatures. One of them should be prisoner 627.
Drop it!
Price? This belongs to you, sir. Who's so?
I'm gonna get out of here! Move! Move!
Bravo 6, be advised.
Go, go, go!
They started the bombardment early. Get the hell out of there now.
There's the chopper! Get ready to jump! Go back! Go back! We'll find another way out! This way! This way! have some time, whore.
All call signs. The LZ is under heavy fire. Uncover enemy positions and engage potential targets. We got optics on us. Snipers, RPG teams, and heavy arms fire. All forward. 12 o'clock due west of our position. Negative 2-1 actual. All available air units are currently canceling multiple casevacs along the Potomac. Proceed west to the target building and provide support. Out.
Everyone, move up! Get out of the kill zone! We gotta buy some time for those gas back there. Overlord, 2-1 actual. We're speeding west with no adjacent support. And friendly victors of BCT-1 are hauling ass past us. Over.
Roger. Brigade Combat Team 1 has already sealed off an LAV to provide suppression. Over. Hunter 2-1, this is Overlord. SEAL teams are maneuvering into position on the northwest corner of the target building. Link up with them on the top floor and eliminate enemy fire teams. Over.
All right. BCT-1's LAV has been suppressed. Get ready to move on my mark. Ready! Go! 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 Move up! Move up! RPG!
Ramirez! Move up and stay on that LAV's line of fire!
Go! Go! Use your grenade launchers! Move in!
Overlord, this is 2-1 actual. Be advised, we're inside and proceeding to the upper floors.
Roger. Overlord copies all.
Copy, I got it!
Fire team has been suppressed in Section 1 Alpha.
Solid copy, 2-1.
Overlord, this is Hunter 2-1 actual. Proceeding to the mezzanine. Tell the LAV from BCT-1 to hold their fire. Over.
Copy that, 2-1. Good hunting.
Hostile suppressed in Section 2 Echo.
Roger that, 2-1. Hunter 2-1, be advised, hostiles on the southwest corner of the 5th floor are hammering the evac site. Over.
Solid copy, Overlord. We are optimized to the 5th floor. Out. Overlord, this is Hunter 2-1 actual. Proceeding to the mezzanine. Tell the LAV from BCT-1 to hold their fire. Over.
Copy that, 2-1. Good hunting.
Hostile suppressed in Section 2 Echo.
Roger that, 2-1.
That's the freaking Capitol building, man.
Hunter 2-1, be advised, hostiles on the southwest corner of the 5th floor are hammering the evac site. Over.
Solid copy, Overlord. We are optimized to the 5th floor. Out. Enemy fire team eliminated in Section 4 Charlie.
Copy that, 2-1.
Overlord, we're on the 5th floor. Proceeding to the southwest corner.
Copy that, 2-1. I got movement.
Watch your sectors. Check those corners.
at the southwest corner. Move forward and clear it out.
Overlord, this is Hunter 2-1 actual. We have secured the enemy crow's nest on the southwest corner.
Overlord copies all. The evac site at the Washington Monument reports several transports away, but they are still vulnerable. Can you provide support from your position? Over.
We said it was enemy munitions. We'll dig in and burn through their ammo. Out. Ramirez, get on that sniper rifle. Scan for targets to the south of the Washington Monument.
All call signs on this net. This is the Washington Monument evac site. We're holding our own, but have glassed enemies to the west and are taking fire from that direction. Hunter 2-1, be advised you have enemy foot mobiles converging on your position. Stay frosty. We're taking fire at the Washington Monument. We're down to 80% combat effectiveness. Request immediate sniper fire on targets west of the monument. Over.
Taking fire! We're moving to the perimeter! Hostiles on our 6! Hostiles in the perimeter! 9 o'clock! Copy! Target
We're taking fire at the Washington Monument. We're down to 80% combat effectiveness. Request immediate sniper fire on targets west of the monument. Over.
Taking fire! Taking fire! We're almost to the perimeter! Eyes up! Hostiles on our 6! Hostiles in the perimeter! Open fire! Open fire!
Hunter 2-1, recommend you clear out of there. I see a mass of foot mobiles converging on your position.
Negative, negative! I have eyes on enemy armor and helicopters advancing on the evac site from the south and southwest. Ramirez, use some of this ordnance to take out the enemy vehicles. Move!
Evac site, valuable time. Well done. Now get your ass to the roof ASAP. You're in danger of being overrun.
Roger that! We're heading to the rooftop. Everyone, move out! We're out of time! Go! Hostiles closing in! Move up! Go! Go! Overlord, we've linked up with the CEOs on the rooftop and are heading out. Interrogative. Has the Washington Monument site been evacuated? Over.
Hunter, this is Dagger 2-1. We are in position at the LZ on the rooftop. What's your status?
Negative 2-1. They're still pinned down by infantry and light armor from the World War II memorial. Doesn't look good from here. Over.
Copy, Overlord. We'll do what we can from the air. Out!
is away. Reaper 2, proceed with second stage evacuation. Litter urgent personnel only. Overlord! Yaga 2-2 is hit, going down!
RPGT says a World War II memorial. Full entry or Toledo get up.
Atlas 2-3, 2-4, and 2-5 are all the way. Ground units at LZ-4, fall back now.
Enemy gunship with Delta 1 o'clock. Memorial.
Overlord to all units, evacuation order April. I repeat, evacuation order April. Everyone get the hell out of there. Overlord! We're hit but still in the air! We've got a massive down battle at the Department of Justice! We're going in! Take us up! If we're going down, we're taking no time, fight further!
Uplink nearly complete. General Shepard, you're online with Captain Price.
Back from the brink, Captain.
Out of the frying pan is more like it. This world looks more like hell than the one I just left.
We thought we'd recovered the ACS before the Russians could crack it. We were wrong. Then Makarov turned the US into his scapegoat. Next thing you know, there's flames everywhere. What's this image you're sending me?
You want to put out an oil fire, sir? You set off a bigger explosion right next to it. Sucks away the oxygen, snuffs the flame.
Price, you've been locked away too long. Better get your mind right, son.
Shepard, are you willing to do what is necessary to win?
Always.
We got ourselves a pretty big fire. Gonna need a huge bang.
You've been in the gulag too long, Price. Focus on taking out Makarov.
No time, sir. We need to end this war today.
I'm not asking you, Price. This is an order. You're to...
Looks like we lost our connection.
Price, I can barely see Roach shooting my satellite feed. Too much interference.